So today I thought it was about time that I do a PO box, and when I say about time, it is very, very, very overdue. In case you hadn't heard, I've been hiding out in Spain. I've since changed my PO box to a Spanish address, so if you do want to send me anything, you can send it to that address. I will not get it in Ireland. But I do have a wonderful friend called Paul, some of you are familiar with, and he is the kindest person you will ever meet in your life, and he has been collecting my PO box stuff for me very generously. So big thank you so much to Paul. So some of this stuff I haven't received since Christmas. It's way overdue and I'm so sorry for that. My brain can't make the connection between people watching my videos and then going out of their way, out of their day to use their time and energy and thoughtfulness to send me something. Like me, just me.
Why would you like me?
Thank you so much to anyone who has ever thought to send me or Chewy anything at all, and even editor Diane, I'm sure she's thankful too. Blah blah blah, are we done with the lovin'? Can we see you open stuff now? Okay, so I'm going to start with the Irish stuff. The bad news is that Paul had a run-in with the police completely unjustifiedly, and they went through his entire car, including the contents of his boot, which were the things he had so kindly collected for me. So the boxes were opened, the stuff was tumbled around. I'm hoping I can equate who sent what with what today, but some of them are not in their original containers, so I'm really sorry, but nonetheless so grateful. This first one comes from Mike and Laurie Davis. They said thank you for making the videos. I try not to read the contents too much because sometimes they're really personal, but they said they agreed that I should make a Frito chili pie. They live in Edmond. Okay, we even included a pecan divinity log for dessert. Oh my gosh, I don't know what that is. Thank you so much, Mike and Laurie. I love that you sent me a thing as a couple. That's so sweet. Goals, relationship goals. These are my favorites. I know I'm probably supposed to make them into pie. I'm just sampling them to make sure they're not poison. Fritos are my 100% American favorite chips, crisps. Beef chili. Less happy about that, but curious to see how it goes. And this is the pecan divinity. It's a bit smushed, but I'm excited to try it. Okay, well there's only like 2 ingredients, I think, so maybe I actually can make that. Thank you so much, Mike and Laurie. That is so thoughtful. A little bit of your America in my home. Aww. Next up, this looks very exciting. There is no name on it. It came from Amazon UK, which was the right one to go with when you're in Ireland. Now it's Amazon ES, Amazon Spain, but you forgot to put your name on it. I have a few ideas who this might be from, but I don't want to name the wrong person, so let me know in comments. It's loads of Mardi Gras stuff. Does this mean I'm a massive hoe? Isn't it like every time you flash your boobies, you get a bead? That's a lot of boobies. I love this! It's so cool! I hope to one day experience Mardi Gras for myself, but maybe not get this many boots. Thank you so much, mystery person. I'm gonna take off the mask because I feel like it's putting a barrier between us, but I'm gonna keep the beats. Or maybe not, because they make noise. I feel like a real New Orleans person now. Okay, this letter from Aaron Janush indicates that he sent a pie, but I did not find a pie, so it's very possible that the Irish Gardaí have eaten it, much like American cops eat donuts.
Thanks, you're an angel.
And it's a lovely letter too. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you, Aaron. Thanks for the pie. I'm so sorry I didn't get it. This is from Jeff on Patreon. Jeff sent me a handmade calendar of all his artwork. He does photography. So some of the months are gone, but I can reuse the pages again. Isn't this amazing? Wow, Jeff like takes these photos of just the most random things, like close-ups of them, and you just left wondering like, what is that thing? And he makes like the most mundane things look really beautiful. That's talent. Thank you so much, Jeff. I'm gonna really enjoy this. Thank you so much for the effort that must have taken to put together, Jeff. How freaking thoughtful. Oh, this NFL t-shirt of Mahomes came from one of Paul's viewers. He sent it to me, so thank you very much. I don't know what the team is, but I like the color. Woo! Maureen Connors sent me loads of stickers and a Sephora gift card for next time I go to America. I have actually got a problem with buying cosmetics and skincare things. Like, I already liked doing it, but I think with all the lockdown and stuff, I became like a bit obsessed. People have been saying my skin looks nice, so thank you. I still get zits. What can you do? Oh, that is so thoughtful. I'm so sorry. I'm so late getting it, Maureen. She also sent some t-shirts. Yoda! Wanted. Good choice on the size. Yeah, I'm a medium usually in t-shirts. People are always asking me the sizes, and I love an L large hoodie because what's the point of having a hoodie if it's not cozy, you know? Everything I know I learned on Sesame Street. Oh my god, that's so cool. I will wear this all the time. And stickers! I love stickers. I don't know why I never got over that childish excitement that you get when you get stickers. I just freaking love stickers. And these are cool. There's donuts and there's food. My two favorite things. Well, they're both foods, really. Thank you so much, Maureen. I really appreciate it. Boop. I did mention in the beginning, I get loads of lovely cards from people, and I try not to read them out here because they can be really, really personal. But people just send lovely things, and also pictures of their dogs. So thank you so much. I love to see a picture of a dog. That's Maggie. Let's open a box, shall we? Ooh, what's this? Chewy's excited too. Crispy wafers! Oh, I'm trying to lose the COVID pounds, but it's not really looking too promising. Christopher Acornero in Albemarle, North Carolina. Oh my god, thank you, Christopher. Ooh, stickers. I love stickers. I just said that a minute ago. Oh my god, I think this has your name on it. Chewy X in 3900. Irish potato! Stay weird! Oh my god, how thoughtful is that? That's so lovely. Christopher, what are you sending us? They might be giants. A CD from a band. I love hearing new music, so thank you very much. I don't think I've heard of them. Chocolate with cherries! Mmm. Thank you. Oh, the diet's not going well and it hasn't even started. A spoon! I'm gonna assume this goes with Carolina cocoa! I love cocoa. The best cocoa in the world because Katie says so. Katie's cocoa. Who's Katie? I don't know, but I love her. This is amazing. It looks like really good cocoa as well. We just call it hot chocolate, but cocoa kind of makes it sound cozier. Original lemon straws. What? Lemon? Oh! Oh! Oh, tangy. Ooh, I'm a fan. What is that? I've never tasted anything like that in my life. I have not yet been to North Carolina. I will go, but I'd imagine this tastes like North Carolina. Thank you so much, Christopher. That is so thoughtful. I love the stickers, and I'm going to drink that hot chocolate tonight.
Hot chocolate. Extra marshmallows.
Yes, I'm in Spain and it's hot, but there's always room for cocoa. I got a Valentine's card from Richard who said spam, and he said it was good spam. He said try butter and brown sugar in the pan first. Add the spam, medium heat. If it smokes, the pan is too hot. Side dish, potatoes. I'm gonna put my spam into my survivalist pack. Thank you so much, Richard. I love how weird your Valentine's Day gift was. This is what my brother used to always do when he got presents at Christmas. Look at that lovely wrapping paper. To Diane from Santa. Ooh. 1001 classic commercials. Oh, it's a lovely tin thing. American pop culture in its most entertaining form. Barbie commercials, Silly Putty commercials, Ajax commercials, and I don't know who that is from. It just said Santa. That's lovely. Thank you, whoever you are, Santa. That's so thoughtful because I love doing American commercials. I'm so sorry if your letter got lost. Just the Guardian. Ooh, we've got a big one here. This came from Charlotte in Florida. Charlotte, the place, not the person. And it's from Yoshi. Yoshi has sent some really cool Disney stuff before, and I'm anticipating more Disney stuff today. Whoa, he sent loads of maps and stuff. I really want to go to Disney World or Disneyland at some point. I want to go when it's all open up. It'll be my first time going. Bookies! A handkerchief. Oh no, it's a bandana. I love Bookies. A magic band. Thank you so much, Yoshi. And it's blue. I love blue. Mandalorian socks, awesome! Oh, my feet will be so toasty. Chewy, there's stuff here for you! A Chewy for Chewy! Chewy, look, it's for you! It's for you, it's for you! He loves it, Yoshi, thank you! And Chewy, and shredded Starbucks! You got Starbucks! It's yours. Yes, you can take it. It's yours. Yes. You totally made it squeak all by yourself. I don't want to get prematurely excited, but this says Tiffany on it, and I've never had anything from Tiffany before, and I'm so freaking excited. Oh, there goes your toy. Wow, look at the box. I'm keeping the box. Is that weird? Do other people do that? I love keeping the box. It makes me feel fancy. What is this? It's in a little bag. What is it? Oh my god. How gorgeous is that? It's like a little china. I think it's a china, or maybe it's porcelain. It's a little cup thing from Tiffany. Oh my gosh, don't drop it, Diane. I love it so much. I'm going to put it on display for everyone to see, but not knock over. That's so lovely. I've never had anything from Tiffany before, and now everything that I put around it is going to pale in comparison, so I'm gonna have to upgrade everything. But I got the Sephora gift card from Maureen, so yay. Oh my gosh, I'm just freaking touched. Yes, I love these type of t-shirts as well with the little white things. Oh, I love these. Oh, is this a little jumper for Chewy? Chewy does not like wearing them, but Mommy does. But Mommy always wins, because Mommy has opposable thumbs. It says stay positive. He loves it. He doesn't, but I do. You look adorable. Do you know what's funny? He actually loves the attention he gets when he's wearing little jumpers and stuff. So at the end of the day, Chewy wins. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted these. Mouse ears, oh my god. Oh my god, I love these. Can I wear these all the time? And this is brilliant for Spain. It's a little mouse hand doing a little fan. A Bucky's keyring, thank you. A Chewbacca, another Chewbacca. We have so many Chewbaccas here. You are still the most important Chewbacca, but this is a very good Chewbacca too. And the loveliest letter from Yoshi. Thank you so much, Yoshi. You are so freaking thoughtful, and I am so delighted with the stuff that you sent. I know you had to get rid of some stuff because you tried to send it around Christmas and then with the whole P.O. Box thing, but then you resent it, so thank you. I can tell you went to a lot of trouble. Thank you so much. And finally, the biggest box for last. I think I know. This is from Eric, and he was very excited for me to get this. What is it? What is it? Oh, there's a card. It is from Eric. He says, hopefully we can get a group to do some stuff with this. What is it? I saved these bags, by the way. I have the hugest pile of Amazon gift bags because I don't like to throw them away. They're so nice, you know. What the hell? What? 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 It's an Oculus Quest 2. A virtual reality headset. Oh my god. What did I do to deserve this? In like a really good way. Oh my god, Eric, what the heck? Oh my god. I've just turned it on and my mind is blown. And it hasn't even done anything yet. Oh my god. That is insane. Eric, thank you so much. I can't even. I'm putting my ears back on because Minnie would know what to do. Thank you so much to everyone who sent stuff. I think that feels very underwhelming to say, but I don't know what else to say. I'm so blown away. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I know that already there is some stuff stuck in the Spanish Postal Service, and they're notoriously awful here, so your stuff probably will get to me, but it could take a really long time. My brother sent something for my niece before, and it took 6 months to get here. Compared to Ireland, who are like the most amazing postal service, who just from somebody's name and a description of the house can deliver a letter, the Spanish Postal Service are not it. But either way, thank you so much to everyone, and yeah, I just think that sounds not enough to say, but thank you. You make me feel like I'm actually doing something worthwhile. So thank you. That's it for today. Bye. Yeah, kill it. Chewy, killing Chewy. Yeah, kill him. Rawr. Looks like you're kissing him, Chewy. That's okay too.